Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Dangbei MP1 MAX triple laser projector. This is a 4K UHD projector with 3100 ISO lumens brightness and 110% BT.2020 color gamut coverage. It features Google TV with official Netflix licensing, 300-inch display capability, and powerful audio with Dolby Audio and DTS-X. If you want reference-grade home theater performance, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It has a triple laser light source delivering 3100 ISO lumens for stunning brightness even with ambient light. Resolution is true 4K UHD with 110% BT.2020 color gamut covering over 1.07 billion colors for lifelike images. Native contrast ratio is 2500:1 with dynamic contrast enhancement. The ALPD 4.0 laser technology ensures consistent color and long lifespan up to 25,000 hours. The optical zoom and autofocus with 8-point Keystone correction make setup effortless. It projects up to 300 inches for a true cinema experience. Smart platform is Google TV with official Netflix licensing, meaning Netflix works right out of the box. Pre-installed apps include Prime Video, Disney, YouTube, and thousands more from Google Play Store. Google Assistant voice control via remote audio features dual 12W speakers with Dolby Audio and DTS-X support, delivering immersive 3D sound. The speakers support eARC for high-quality audio pass-through. Connectivity includes HDMI 2.1, USB 3.0, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. Gaming features include low input lag and HDR10 support. It also supports Blu-ray 3D playback. If you want a premium triple laser projector with official Netflix and incredible color, the Dangbei MP1 MAX delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.